right, so I was listening to this song this morning that says make room, and I just wanted to share real quick with everyone a part of the song that says break every tradition, break every religion, break the words of tradition and religion. And I just realized that sometimes that's us. We put our life, fill our lives with a lot of junk, things that really don't matter. Bitterness, hate, hatred, someone that hurt us 20 years ago, 10 years ago, 5 years ago. We're still holding on to those things and just filling our life with fear and, just filling our life with things that are not internally minded. Like, if you're gone, they're gone. Like, there's no legacy behind that. And I just want to encourage us today to replace any of those rubbish, I'm going to call those rubbish, with God's word, God's presence, and just ask God today that He'll come into our hearts and change us from the inside. And whatever it is, whatever trash, junk, rubbish, and that's in our heart that doesn't belong in our body, that God would take those things out and fill it with more of Him. Because if we make room for God to come into our heart, into our mind, into our day, into our activities, our conversations, we'll realize that we're going to become more and more like Jesus. And that's the goal. That's the whole point. That's really what this life is really all about. So I'm hoping that today that you get that encouragement that you need, that push to just make room for Jesus today. Make room in your heart for Him. Make room in your schedule for Him. All right?